Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. First video I've done for ages. I've not been doing here for weeks, so things are getting a wee bit overgrown. So I'm basically doing today, I'm going to plant in some spring bulbs. So we've got some crocus, some dwarf daffodils and some dwarf narcissi. So they're going to go in. Done a wee bit of a tidy up. Left it the last of the beetroot. But it all needs a right good clean. That's going to be strawberry bed for next year. So that's a few that I took runners off of. Then I moved this over here, away for the rhubarb. We've got plenty of these drying off for next year's seeds. So let's get these bulbs in. This was another pond that I put in this year, so I'm going to have them all around here. Set by to plant bulbs. I don't think it makes much difference, to be honest. I know people use bulb planters, so I'm basically just going to dig a few troughs and just put them in. Get a few of these narcissus in. So there we go. No fancy bulb planters, just straight in. Come spring, we'll have a nice bit of colour around the pond. So anyway, I'll leave that one there. I'll try and make the videos more frequent. It's just as I say, I've been busy, so I've just not had a chance to get done. So hope everybody's having a good week, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.